Hello students, hope you are all keeping well. Today in this very video session, I am teaching you about uses of could. Could is the past tense form of can, but its uses vary, but it shows possibility. Could shows what? Possibility. Possibility means something being possible, probable, alright? For example, punishment could have adverse effects on learning. Suppose if you punish somebody and that punishment brings what? That brings, you can say, adverse effect on the person you punish. Alright? Yes. And it also shows ability. But make sure possibility in the past and ability in the past. As you know, if you have to talk about the ability in the present form, we use can. And if we have to talk about the ability, someone's ability about past, we use could. For example, he could easily carry 10 kilos when he was young. Actually, here in this very sentence, what I want to make you people clear here is what I'm talking about past, when he was young. When he was young. So this is past. This is the past of this very person, the person whose ability is being referred here. All right. Hope this is very clear. And it conveys the sense of physical ability in relation to the past. No? Yes. To make polite request means what? If you have to make polite request, so that time we could use what? Could. For example, could you tell me the way to the station? Could you tell me? So this could is used here to make polite request. And then could is used to offer an, you can say, alternative. Alternative means where two, you can say, choices are given and you are supposed to choose one choice from the choices given. Okay, so whenever you are supposed to make an alternative, so there we make the use of, you can say, could. Suppose if this medicine doesn't work, they could try herbal medicine. They could try. Suppose yes, but they could try herbal medicine. So this could shows here what? Alternative. Yes. And then could is used to make polite suggestion. Means if you have to make polite suggestion, we have to suggest someone and you want to suggest someone very, you can say, what? Politely. So there we make the use of what? Could. For example, could we postpone this meeting until all the members are available? So this is polite suggestion. So these are some uses of, you can say, what? Could. And hope you these all uses are very clear to all of you, and I'm sure you will make notes of these very uses as well. And thank you so much.